Hi everybody, it's me, Terry, your fearless leader. This is our update for February of 2025. I'm sorry I didn't have one at the end of December. I don't think I did for January. I've been sick. First I had, the surgery on my elbow, and then I got an infection and they gave me an antibiotic when that put me in the hospital for 4 days because I was allergic to it. I had a really bad allergic reaction to it. So anyway, that's that, and that's why you haven't really seen or heard from me for a couple of months, and I apologize for that. I've tried to keep up. I've got all the entries kept up, for the challenge drawings, and done those, of course, and made sure that everybody got their prizes, especially for the December, which you saw some photos, which I really appreciate. When people get physical prizes from me, if you would make sure to put a photograph of it in the groups, that would be great, just so people can see what they get when they get a grab bag, because, well, it's a grab bag, so you never know what you're what you're gonna get. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about besides all that is the new publishing schedule. I have been killing myself, basically making videos at a breakneck speed of like 5 journals a month, and I just can't. I'm getting burned out, and I'm getting discouraged. I'll tell you that. I'll be honest with you. You guys are my friends, and I can talk to you. Because I work really, really hard, and then I get like 35, 40 views on videos, and it's really discouraging, especially considering how many people are in the 3 groups, and how many people I publish the links in front of, when I publish a video each time. So I'm getting discouraged, I'm getting burned out, and I want to make sure that I, take care of myself, but also I want to make sure that I'm bringing you something that you want to watch. So let's just go with the Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then we will, except for the, including the design team projects, I think it works out that way. I think it works out Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 2 weeks for the Sweet Pea Papers project, Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 2 weeks for the design team project for Line Dot Arrow, and then of course any collabs or anything get kind of stuffed in there. And I may not do the BB craft anymore for a while either. It's getting kind of hard for me to find things other than stamps and stencils to get from there, and bringing you nothing but stamps and stencils is probably not very interesting for the crafting part. Okay, so the other thing is for February, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's collaboration with all of the design team members for Line Dot Arrow, and you may not have heard of some of us, and you may have not seen some of us before, and so I want to make sure there's going to be 1 video a day from the 1st through the 14th, and we're going to publish the links to those every day. Now, my day is the 2nd. Let me see if I got this right here. Yes, 1 per day, February 1st through the 14th. Oh, the hashtag is Creative Arrows. And then there's no drawings or anything. It's just a collab so that you can see, what we do. My voice is cracking. So I'm going to show you real quick, but I'm not going to show you. This is what I did. Quick. There we go, across the screen. It was just a 1-day, 1-hour project. It looked like a skin red. I just got out of the shower. And, yeah. So, as a recap, though, I meant to talk about this before, the collab. Then our recap for our projects that we've done. The projects in January were Winter Castles, and that was for that was for the Ko-Fi, the coffee shop people. Then I did the Inventor's Notebook, and that was for everybody at Sweet Pea Papers, and that was the public video. And then I also did Elegant Burgundy. First there was the key ring thingy with all the little pieces that go to that. And then there was the Tall Slim Journal, which I had a lot of fun making. So yeah, so there were those 3 projects in January, even though, well, I had pre-recorded some of it, thank goodness, by the time all that mess happened. And you know, my elbow is still all swollen. I've been back to the doctor again. He's like, well, people heal at different rates, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, okay, it's been almost 8 weeks, so let's get going here with the healing thing. Okay, so now for the February projects, going to be the Valentine's collaboration. Then there's going to be my Line Dot Arrow design team project, which I'm going to put 2 kits together. Natalie's putting out 2 kits in February, and I'm going to combine them for my project, I think, or I'm going to do 2 short projects, one with each kit. I'm just not sure. I just printed out both kits and I didn't separate them out, so I guess we're going to go with 1 6 video project using both kits mixed together, because I don't know now which one's which now that I've printed them out. Natalie has not, I'm recording this the last week of January, and Natalie has not put out her flip through yet of the new kits for next month, so I'm not going to show you any of the papers because she does flip throughs. Don't forget with the challenges for every month that you can, she puts up a video every Saturday for a new challenge. I look like I'm falling over. I'm sitting on my stool. Oops, and I almost showed you my sweatshirt, which has something on it I really didn't want to show on camera, and I totally forgot. Anyway, so there's 3 challenges every month. The first 3 Saturdays of the month, Natalie puts out a video with a challenge, and it's not like something you have to do. It's just something fun to do, a fun project. And then if you want to post it, you can, and that will get you entries into the drawing. The drawings are different this year. We're going to have 5 winners of 1 kit each instead of 3, 2, 1. Too many people were entering that were entering each month, and they were just getting tons of kits, and they were getting kind of burned out on being able to pick kits. So, and also you can't pick a bundle, and you can't pick the next month's new kits, because that gives you an unfair advantage over the people that are just now publishing or purchasing the kit to work with. Okay, no bundles, no current month or the very next month kit can be picked. 1 kit per winner, but now 5 winners instead of 3. Why does this look like it's lagging? I'm recording and it looks like I'm talking and my voice is coming out afterwards. Okay, well, if it is, it is. So the other one for this month for the Sweet Pea Papers journal is called the Junk Journaler. Not junk journals, but junk journaler, about like a person that would do junk journals. And I don't have the back cover done, so I'm just going to show you the front. This is what our project is going to be. And I really like it. It's another Victoria design kit. And I totally forgot that you can only get it if you get a deluxe kit of this other one called the Crafters no, Creative Chronicles Deluxe. And then this is the bonus kit inside. And I totally didn't realize, I just saw the name of it and I was like, yeah, I'm going to do that one. So here you go. And then also, like I said, the combo between Urban Roses, not urban, but herbs, herbs and roses. And then also Love and Lace. Let me put my herbs in. Yes, herbs is right. I don't know what's wrong with me this morning. I think I'm just goofy. So anyway, those are the updates for this month. I hope you kept up with me jumping around and being nuts. I haven't had very much sleep. I've been up since like 10:30 last night, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And I just decided when I got out of the shower, I just thought, well, I'm all clean. I might as well record record the video. So I will see you again next month, I think, with the shorter schedule, with us doing one project for Sweet Pea Papers and one design team project. I may not put out videos anymore for the updates unless we're having a big collab or something that needs to be explained. But I might put an update out in the groups in writing, like a monthly update. Okay, just to give you an idea. And put up some pictures of the ones from the month before, and maybe cover shots of the ones that are coming up. I don't know. I may not want to show you the ones coming up. Definitely not the design team projects, because I won't have those done, because I usually don't have the papers until the beginning of the month. So we'll see. It may just be in writing with no pictures, but the explanation of the challenges for every month, and what's going to happen as far as our projects and everything. So that's going to be it for this month, and I will hopefully see you next month if we have enough stuff, but we may not. So it may just be in writing next month and the month after that, and for a while, until I decide what I'm going to do. Okay? All right, well, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.